ba, I no go lie una. This Gakpo wey dey here, na him dey cause half of our problem for this club.
Why you dey talk like that? The guy dey here o.
Make him dey na. Na why I dey talk am sef. How person go come our club? Suddenly we just start dey play nonsense.
Wetin dey worry you now?
Your nonsense don corrupt all of us. See team wey bin get energy before, e don come suck everything. Na send dem send you? You be vampire?
See, Arnold, say I be newcomer. No mean say you fit dey insult me anyhow. I sabi show people shege.
You don already dey show this whole club shege. E be like say na your specialty be that.
No dey blame me for your frustration o. Na me say make una no get midfielders.
Wetin you talk now?
This club no get midfielders.
Oh my
Attackers just dey suffer for this club.
You get as you go take talk. I go send you back go PSG.
Na your money dem use buy me. Come send me back now. Na me una dey blame on top this nonsense wey una dey play. You, Arnold, if you like, no go beg Kochi make he put you for midfield. Dey there dey frustrate on top my head.
Your papa,
Mancity knack us 4-1. Make we see wetin this toothless, coachless Chelsea go knack us. Make una dey there dey blame me.
My people, una don hear say one expert and FC Barcelona don launch one new super offer. Dem dey call am House of BARCA.
Idiot. Na House of the Barca, no be House of BARCA.
Say sorry, I go leave this thing for you o.
Na just small collect I collect you. Na him you dey vex like Vespa. Which one be your own sef?
I just say make I warn you. As I dey talk, House of the Barca go let you win plenty prizes if you bet on top FC Barcelona. If you wan follow for the thing, you gats register for 1xBet with our promo code GNEXT first. Then you go press the take part button wey dey the offer page. When you do that one finish, you go come place accumulator bet for any BARCA match. Collect at least 10 tickets to fit take part for the main prize draws. And between 1 and 9 tickets to fit enter the incentive prize draws for the promo page. No forget to read their terms and conditions for every promo wey you wan enter o. Thank you.
Momo man, where you dey go? You no go tell them say make them bet with sense, abi? I no blame you when no dey ever bet with sense.
My boys, my young talented boys, my future stars, future world best, Mudrik, João Felix, Chai. It is very unfortunate, sir.
But you carry your kaya comot for here. We know say them don sack you finally. If I be you, I go dey very careful upside because some people go wan show you fefe.
Wetin come be this one? When una know say them don sack me?
Kochi, na we vote you comot for this club. No dey waste our time. We get Liverpool to play today.
No talk to me like that. Me and you no be mates.
Kochi, you get as you go take talk, we go carry you for head throw away comot for this Stamford Bridge.
What?
Better accept our peaceful send-off, unless you prepare violence.
So na like this una want to pursue me on top all the wonderful loving memory I create for this club.
Carry your wonderful loving memory comot for here.
And no come back o, unless you like hot oil.
Will you keep quiet?
Mudrik, you follow for people wey vote against me?
Kochi, you no give me any other choice. Na general consensus.
Child.
No problem.
That is
All of
all.
now go regret this decision.
We don already regret say them hire you. How we go tell regret say them sack you?
I swear this club go regret this decision. A homie. Taxi!
Where you dey go?
Brighton and Hover's Albion.
Oh, now you be butter.
Eh?
Now your leg you go carry reach that side though. You too fuck up.
You say wetin? Wetin be this one? You think say na only you be taxi man? Idiot. Taxi?
If I carry you back, make my engine knock.
Why? Wetin I do?
No be you been dey carry my club go where dem no know.
But-
Make comot for here die.
Na wow! Which kind taxi drivers be this? I hope say this one go get sense. Taxi?
Where you dey go?
Brighton and Hove Albion.
Oga Butter, na thunder go fire you. Shey you no remember me?
Who you be?
You no remember that reporter wey you pursue comot ba?
I don pursue many reporters.
That one wey later write 10 pages of bad review.
Oh, na you be that?
Shebi you don happy now say I be taxi driver.
Na you got a use question insult me now.
Thunder scatter your destiny. No worry, you go come join me for this taxi work when I dey do. Momo.
At this rate, problem dey o. How I wan take reach Brighton? Taxi? Abeg, I dey desperate. I wan comot for here.
Oga sorry o, I be Arsenal fan, but head of taxi association tell us say make we no carry you for motor. Na leg you go take reach Brighton sir. I say make I quick tell you.
God forbid these Chelsea fans. Which kind job I go carry like this?